In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to protect your sheets or protect your formulas. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So for this sheet now, some cells that I had formulas on, I protected them. Like this one, you have expense monthly. You can see when you type there, it shows you that this sheet is protected. Even when you type out here, it says the same thing. But when you type into any of these boxes here, let's say this is food here, and I change that to 500, you can see. So you can decide to, on a sheet, you can decide to exclude some cells, so that from cells from, from the lock, so that people can fill that in. So let's say this is a general template, you know that your formulas are protected. So sometimes you might have something like this instruction: do not fill the colored cells. Some people still do go ahead and fill the colored cells, and somebody will just go here and just tampered with it. It's so wrong. So most of the time, it's better that you lock your sheet and exclude the cells you want to be filled out. So that's what this tutorial is all about today. So I'm going to show you how to exclude them so that you don't have to do something like this. So if you're just joining my channel today and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? This is the channel where everybody gets things sorted out. Please do have to subscribe, like, and share, and sit back and let's learn together. So let me show you how I did this. So first of all, so I'm going to use this sheet. This is the fabric sheet. First of all, before we go ahead, I did this is an income and expense template, which I created, that is downloadable. So I'm going to drop the link where you can download this template to track your income and expense. Just see, I even did a summary for this. But let's get to into the tutorial. So I'm going to show you how what I did here. So what I did was, first of all, you need to exclude the space that you want, the cells that you don't want them to be locked. So for this one, I don't want this cell, this, because these are fillable cells, so I don't want to lock them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight them. So you can highlight one by one. So highlight, you want to highlight both of them at the same time. Press down your control key and highlight the second one. So if you have multiple spaces to highlight and they are not together, when you're done with the first one, press down the control key and highlight the second one, or the third one, the fourth one, as the case may be. Then right click. When you right click, you're going to see format cells. So you click on format cells. Where you're going to is, you have protection here. So it means it's tick locked, because when I lock the cell, I want it to be locked. So you untick it so that when I lock the cell, it doesn't get locked. Hope that makes sense. And you click OK to that. Now, when you click OK, next thing you're going to do is you come up here, you see Home, Insert, Page Layouts, Formulas, Data, Review. Review is your guy here. So you go to Review, and on the review, you're going to see Protect Sheets. You can protect the entire workbook, but right now we're looking at the sheets. So you go Protect Sheets. So on the Protect Sheets, you type in your password. People forget their password. So I would advise you, before you type your password, write it down somewhere. And remember, if it's case sensitive, this is the most important thing here. So for here, we are going to type our password, which I've written down. So make sure that you're looking at your case sensitive, if it's there or not. So just type your password in there, okay, and you're still going to confirm it. So I type the password again, then I say okay. Now, as you can see, it's telling me on protect sheets because it's already protected. So let's type anywhere here. So I type here, as you can see, it's protected. And let's say if I type investment here is 0, so let's say investment here is 70. You can see now I can type in here. Even if they want to type here, it can go. So that is how you protect your sheets, you protect your formulas, you protect the parts you don't want people to tamper with. So let me show you another thing. Let's say you want to just protect few cells and unlock the other cells. So now let me use the month of March. So let's say you want to protect, you want to lock this entire sheet, but you just want to protect just one cell. So what you're going to do is highlight everything by going here and right click. So what we're looking for is format cell. So you untick that, you say okay. So now, right now, if I lock this particular sheet, nothing is going to lock because we've unticked the locked, remember? So what you're going to do is now go to the part you want to lock. So I want to lock here, this shaded part. I want to lock here. I press down my control key. I want to lock here. I want to lock here. So I'm manually picking the colored parts right now. Then I right click them and I go to format cells. Then I click locked. Then I say okay. Hope that makes sense. Now when I do that, I will now go to review, protect sheets to lock it. So now let's put our password in here. I click OK. Then I confirm the password. I type it again. Then I click OK. Now the sheet is locked. So now if I type here, it goes through, no error. But if I come to the colored parts, I type there, it's protected. So now you manually pick the colored sheets to lock it. Hope that makes sense. So like I said, if you want to download these sheets, the link is available in the description. If you want to track your expense and your income, so the template is down below the description to download this. I hope this was clear enough. If you have any other questions concerning locking your cells, or locking the sheets, or locking the workbook, please let me know. Drop your question below this video in the comment section and I'll do well to respond. Have you subscribed? Subscribe right now, like and share. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.